Tired of stubborn dirt and grime that just won't budge? Today, I'm bringing you the 5 best electric pressure washers on Amazon that can totally transform your cleaning routine. From power to durability, I'll break down what makes each washer stand out. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's get your surfaces sparkling. Number 1. Overall best pick, Westinghouse Electric Pressure Washer. If you're after a high-powered electric washer for your driveway, patio, or vehicles, this one delivers. With up to 3,400 psi and a brushless motor, it offers more cleaning muscle than many entry models. The onboard soak tank and 5 quick connect nozzles make it very versatile, and the setup is plug-and-play, which is a big plus for convenience. On the downside, although the pressure spec is impressive, the flow rate, GPM, is modest, so bigger jobs will take more time than a commercial unit. Also, the power cord and hose storage could be more refined, and I found the unit a bit heavier and less compact than expected. If you're a homeowner looking for strong cleaning power without moving to gas, this is a solid choice. But if you've got large-scale jobs or want ultra-fast cleanup, you might consider stepping up. Number 2. My second best pick, Karcher Pressure Washer K 1800 PS. If you're looking for a compact electric pressure washer for light to medium cleaning around the home, this one hits plenty of the right notes. The setup was straightforward, and the included detergent tank and 3 spray nozzles give you good flexibility for cars, siding, and patios. The footprint is small and portable, which is great for storage. On the flip side, the flow rate, 1.2 GPM, and PSI mean it's not ideal for heavy-duty jobs like large driveways or very thick grime buildup. Several users noted it struggled there. Bottom line, for everyday home cleaning and vehicles, it's a capable pick. But if you've got big-time cleaning needs, consider something with higher flow and pressure. Number 3. My third best pick, Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer. For homeowners with everyday cleaning tasks around the yard, this washer delivers a good balance of power and convenience. The 1,700 psi output and 1.2 GPM flow rate make it suitable for washing cars, patios, decks, and siding. The compact size and onboard nozzle/cord storage make it easy to store and move around. On the downside, though it handles general cleaning well, it starts to struggle with tougher jobs, like heavily soiled concrete or deeply stained driveways, where higher PSI units perform much better. Also, the hose length and rigidity can be limiting when reaching far-off areas. All things considered, if you want an affordable, no-fuss machine for regular outdoor cleanup, this is a worthy pick. But if you plan heavy-duty cleaning, you might need something more robust. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Pressure Washer Power Washer. If you're searching for a budget-friendly, all-in-one pressure washer bundle, this kit delivers a lot of value. The inclusion of a foam cannon is a standout. It lets you pre-soak cars, decks, or patio furniture and gives that satisfying foam blast wash feel. The high-pressure nozzle works well on lighter grime and typical vehicles or outdoor furniture. On the flip side, the hose length and accessory quality feel a bit light. You may find yourself limited when reaching farther areas like large driveways. Bottom line, great for casual weekend use, car washing, patio refreshes, but if you have large-scale heavy-duty cleaning jobs, you may eventually want to upgrade. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Greenworks Compact Electric Pressure Washer. If you're after a lightweight, plug-in pressure washer for regular outdoor chores, this model hits a lot of the right notes. With a 20-foot tangle-free hose and a 35-foot power cord, it's super convenient to move around patios, cars, or decks without constantly changing outlets. The build feels compact, and the setup was quick. On the downside, the 1.2 GPM flow rate means it's better suited to light to medium-duty work. If you've got heavy grime, large driveways, or stubborn stains, you might find yourself doing multiple passes. Also, while it's fine for regular cleaning, some users may miss more rugged build quality in the accessories. All things considered, a solid choice for casual homeowners who want hassle-free maintenance. But if you anticipate tougher jobs, you might later want to upgrade. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite electric pressure washers? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.